how to play music while playing Roblox on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick that doesn't use headphones that allow you to play music from your iPhone while you're playing Roblox. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if while I'm playing Roblox, I swipe to open the control menu to play music, as soon as I go back to Roblox, it will pause the music again. So to fix this, we first need to create a shortcut on our iPhone, and we could do that by going to the app library right here and looking up shortcut. And then once you get to the shortcuts right here, simply select the plus button in the top right, and then just for search actions, type play. Now scroll down until you see play, pause, and select that, and then just select done. So now we have the first step done with this. Now we need to open up the settings on our iPhone. Once you get the settings open, scroll down, and right under general, you'll see accessibility, select that. And then in accessibility, scroll down a little bit and you'll see touch, select touch, and then go to assistive touch. From there, turn on assistive touch, and you'll see it's going to bring this dot up on the screen. Don't worry about that. We can remove that later. And then go to customize top level menu. Now add an icon by selecting the plus button right here, and then select the little plus button. What we want to do is scroll all the way down and you'll see play/pause. Then select done. So now if I select the little dot that was added, I can move it around by the way, it'll open up a menu, and if I select play pause, it's going to play the music on my phone. Now if you want to be able to remove this little button from the screen so it doesn't interfere with your playing, go back until you get to accessibility, scroll all the way down, select accessibility shortcut, and then just tap assistive touch. So now if we press the power button 3 times, it's going to make it disappear. If you press it 3 times, it'll make it reappear. But that's optional. So now if we go back to Roblox, we want to make sure that there's already music in our control center like that. And if I start playing the game, all I need to do is select the little assistive touch button, then hit play pause, and now it will play the music, and I can play Roblox and it doesn't pause it. And I don't even need headphones. And that's how you play music while playing Roblox on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.